So Uma Thamayekiso is missing Mr. Mayor Jackson Tembu, and it looks like she is just going around in ngempahla zakhe, hugging them, kissing them, saving them. Yes, and I'm like, why don't you just pick up a call and call him? Like, what is the point? Bese kukhona mpendulo, saying that he was actually coming here for maintenance. However, he wanted to speak to Mr. Mayor regarding the up position now for a bartender. But then Umatha was surprised and it looked very weird. Why would you come and look for him in their room? Now, he also asked the whereabouts of Mr. Mayor, and then Umatha said she did not know where he is. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanbonan Abshin Madanjani. Hipokila Hingangwina. So Namutlakano Nokwahina wa Smoke and Mirrors. Hikumakora, there's a position for bartendering, and Utim said that they are going to go there. Babuza Babuza Utim. How much does it pay Ufanyana? Fanyano Yabambu Yayega. They're like, we don't want to know the nitty-gritties, we just want to know the price. Then ufanyana atigena, maybe sometimes it could be 500 a day. Like, we're going to leave ama peanuts as a depo besisizala. And I'm just thinking, why would you leave a permanent job for bartendering? But again, anyway, Upechunia again, her wish has been granted. The husband says they changed their mind, they're going to be taking the baby. However, Umameki Mafika, it looks like the tables have turned, because now she's starting to think, what if Usonto comes back azothatha ingane yakhe kushuthi mina ngosala ngingedwa nje, and then now what if ingane le iyakhula iyabuza ukuthi ubani uma wami wangempela? Now she won't be able to answer, which is a problem. But then again, Umamiki was just emphasizing that don't be too attached, which is impossible at this time, at this point in time. And then Umamiki says that maybe we should throw a baby shower for you, because nakoke so ningabazali abasha. Do I see this happening? I don't know, because now the process, they were told the process again, and they look like they are not up for it, because it looks like it's a long process. And Baba Mumtwana, just for in case if Omunye uza uzumlanda. Umpendulo finally located location ka Mr. Mayor Jackson, and we don't know if that's a real location, because he had it from Umamiki. And Ramitzi Bobutle Mamiki Kimoto Mujwanga.